Hello, teacher. Welcome to our presentation about workshop 3, Men and Women Across Cultures. The students are Melanie Cárdenas, Nicole Carchi, Estefania Rodríguez, and me, Alicia Murillo. Okay. It is customary for Ecuadorians to arrive an hour late to invitations or events. Punctuality has always been a much discussed topic, since we all want people we meet to be on time, but we are also late often for reasons beyond our control. But there are certain people who practice it daily, earning the reputation of unpunctuality. This unpunctuality that is practiced so much in Ecuador has come to create our own unit of time, hence the famous Ecuadorian hour. It is normal for Ecuadorians to be 5, 10, 15 minutes, even hour 10. In South Korea, not being is disrespectful. Punctuality, especially for a foreigner, once appreciate once on time and that of the other person. It is a different situation in Malaysia, where no one is offended if you are an hour late. Malaysians tend to be very flexible with the punctuality, as giving notice that you will be late for an hour. In appointment is often, and therefore no apology is required.
Okay, in Canada, people have garbage cans for everything in their homes. This rule must be followed by all people with their garbage, and for this reason, the government gives the cans for cardboard or paper, for organic garbage, and for plastic to each home. In Ecuador, this rule doesn't exist, and most people do not recycle the garbage from their homes. But I think it's a rule that all countries must follow for the care of the environment.
Okay, in India, when they enter a temple, they have a custom to remove their shoes. I think it is a good custom since they are entering a sacred place, and they do it out of respect for their religion. Sometimes that the Catholic religion in Ecuador should also have this custom.
In China, on birthdays, the custom is that guests should eat alone noodles because the tradition of eating them dates back to the belief that by doing so the birthday boy will have a long life. Uh, Thank you very much for your attention.